Hi there and welcome to Tic Tac Tech Smartphone Buying Guide. Since the video is long, you can select the price range that you are looking for. Best smartphone under Rs 7000. Option 1. Moto E3G 2nd generation. The Moto E3G is a great option if you're looking for a stock Android lollipop experience for a sub Rs 7000 budget. It might not have quad-core processor, but that doesn't make the phone slow in the performance department. It feels and runs as smooth as the Android One phones with quad-core. The phone has got an excellent build quality, sharp and bright display, and also comes with 5 megapixels rear camera with autofocus. Option 2. Asus Zenfone 4. Asus has been competing and sort of dominating the sub 10K market with its Zenfone series, and the cheapest variant, the Asus Zenfone 4, is a very good option for anyone wanting a premium looking Android smartphone that's under Rs 6000. The phone is powered by a decent Intel processor and has 1GB RAM. The internal storage is 8GB and is expandable up to 32GB. For this price, the phone comes with a good camera and display. Option 3. Xiaomi Redmi 2. Xiaomi has the best value for money phones in this price bracket. Redmi 2 is now lighter, more ergonomic, and equipped with better specs than the ones. The new Mi UI 6 is technically the same with a better and flatter looking design. You can also root the phone and install stock Android on it. The phone will, however, be available only from March 24th and through Flipkart flash sale. So if you are lucky, you can get your hands on one of these. Best smartphone between Rs 7000 to 15,000. Option 1. Eureka. With the Eureka, U, that is owned by Micromax, has hit a home run. The Eureka is an excellent option considering its hardware and the features it offers. It has got a 13 megapixels camera, 5.5-inch display, 1.5 GHz processor, and is also one of the few phones in this price range that supports 4G. And the best feature about this phone is it comes with highly customizable Cyanogen operating system. We totally recommend this phone in this price range. Option 2. Moto G 2nd generation. The original Motorola Moto G was an easy choice in this segment, and now it's been replaced by the Moto G 2nd generation. The new device is an improvement over its predecessor in nearly every way. The lack of expandable storage has been fixed and the screen is larger. The build quality and feel of this phone remains great, and it can be put into some rough usage as well. It's a great choice if you want a phone that feels great in your hand and performs really well. Option 3. Xiaomi Redmi Note. Our next recommendation is from Xiaomi, the Redmi Note 4G. It's one of those few phones in this price range that offer 4G. The phone comes with a 5.5-inch display, has a Qualcomm Snapdragon quad-core processor instead of the octa-core processor in Note 3G. All your apps work completely fine. The camera has good quality for both videos and stills. So if you are looking for a phone in this price range which offers you 4G connectivity, then you can go ahead and pick this up. Best smartphone between Rs 15,000 and 30,000. Option 1. Xiaomi Mi 4. Priced at Rs 19,999, Mi 4 is an excellent value for money phone in this category considering the specs it packs. The 2.5 GHz quad-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 801 CPU along with 3G RAM will easily cater to multitasking, gaming, and other daily usage. The 5-inch Full HD IPS display is at its best. The rear camera supports 4K video recording for those who shoot a lot of videos in their phone. The Mi 4 comes with version 6 of MIUI user interface. Though the icons share close resemblance with the iOS, the UI offers tons of customization, themes, and aims to make life easy. The phone also comes with a 64GB option, which will cost Rs 23,999. Option 2. OnePlus One. When it comes to raw performance and value for money, OnePlus One kills the competition. Most of the OnePlus One's appeal lies in its hardware. The specs sheet is almost the same as Mi 4, but OnePlus is better as it comes with a very highly customizable Cyanogen mod operating system, which means you can select different themes, configure user interface elements, improve privacy controls, and tweak performance settings. Also, the phone is very snappy and responsive. HD videos play flawlessly, games run smoothly. So basically, you will be happy when you buy this phone. Option 3. LG Google Nexus 5. The LG Nexus 5 is a fantastic phone at its price. The camera and battery life are somewhat weak, but everything else, especially performance, is top-notch. The phone comes with a 2.26 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon 800 processor, so you can multitask and play games easily. The display on this phone is exceptionally good. Another highlight of the Nexus 5 is the Android Lollipop. Also, considering it's a Nexus phone, it will continue to get fast Android updates. Best smartphone above Rs 30,000. Option 1. LG G3. LG G3 is a phone for those who want to make a fashion statement. This phone is slick, understated, and oozes class. It feels great in your hands and is packed with the best hardware. It's got a QHD display which will make watching high-resolution videos a pleasure. The picture quality is sharp and one of the best you will find. It's also got Qualcomm Snapdragon 801 quad-core running at 2.5 GHz. The LG also has a 13 megapixels camera with laser autofocus system, which makes taking pictures a cakewalk. Option 2. Motorola Google Nexus 6. The Nexus 6 from Motorola comes packed with features. The hardware list includes a powerful next-generation Snapdragon processor, improved camera, new version of Android, and a premium design. Watching movies on this phone is a treat, with loud, front-facing stereo speakers and a Quad HD display. Not only that, the rear camera has a 13 megapixel sensor, optical image stabilization, and a dual LED flash. The Nexus 6 is capable of recording 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The front camera is a 2 megapixel unit and can shoot video at 1080p. The performance of this phone is also great, as it has the best hardware spec sheet. Option 3. Apple iPhone 6. Even with a slightly larger screen, the iPhone 6 remains comfortable to hold. With fast performance, a great display, an elegant new design, and a much-needed software update, it's one of the best smartphones you can buy right now. The iPhone 6 uses Apple's new A8 processor. It also houses a separate co-processor called the M8 for sensor input. The user interface feels much better with the iOS 8. It has a lot of new and improved features. The photo editing tools, tweaks in Safari, and voice messages over iMessage all contribute to making the iPhone 6 a pleasure to use. There are many other smartphones in the market. Choose the phone you want based on your requirement and your comfort. Hope this video helped you.